to another unboxing. Today I'm gonna unbox Milky Way Galaxy sold by Diamond Art Club, and it is a painting by CYC Grand Canyon. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see here, it's a square diamonds. This is a new packaging from Diamond Art Club. You probably already know that. So let me open this. Alright. So the size is a 22 inches by 30 inches or 56 centimeter by 76 centimeter. As I say, it is a square. Oh, it does not say if you get any ABs, so maybe it's not in there. Put it on the side. Alright. Okay, take it. No, there's something in there. So, as usual, do what makes you sparkles. They give you one sticker and a mini one if you want. Put it somewhere. Well, as usual, the toolkit. I'm not gonna open it because it's always the same thing. Alright, so let me open this now. Alright, that is pretty heavy. How many colors is in there? Let's say 51. Is it 51 colors? Yeah. Oh. 51 colors. Oh, that is pretty big, yep. I don't have enough room. That is a really nice painting. I'll show you the color of it. Oh. Oh, no, I got two. Oh, this one does like really. When I look like this, because it is free purple, it's 3 different purple, but you get 155, 340, and well, the 2 340, 155, and 2 340. But they like, there is a slight nuance between the two. So that's pretty cool. So this one definitely mix them. Oh, I think that's the last one. Well, I got the page open here because I bought this when it got released in July. Right now, if you want to order it, it is on pre-order, and I see that they say it got 2 ABs, but when I look here on the box, oh yeah, it say ABs, but I think usually like here where when there is some ABs, I think they say it. I see one AB here. Oh no, I'm just gonna log into my account real quick. I'm sorry about that. See? Yeah, it says the one that I ordered, yeah. 51 color, including 2 ABs. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna work it because I see one AB. So this one, this white one, really nice. Oh, I know my camera don't do autofocus. But I'm gonna save the other one and let me count this if everything is there then. Okay. Where is one? Okay, one. Only thing is them is like they should put the number in order, because if you want to really check that you have all the colors that you need for the painting, it's not in order. That's kind of, for me, that is annoying. It should be, you know, like the serial number, like here it starts with 133, and 133 is like it's in the middle. So alright, but see, I found the other AB. This is 133. That is a really nice orange. I'm sorry, I need to get another camera because I know this one do not do autofocus when I do close up. Yeah, that's the only thing they should do, because basically you get I don't like to take everything down to check if I get everything. I just gonna count if I get the right number of color, but I think they should like put like here they go from the lowest number to the highest for the color, for the color code. They should do the same too when they package it, because that is annoying. I'm gonna count real quick if all the colors are here. It should be 51. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh goodness. Okay, alright, we gotta be these two, 49, 50, and 51. Alright, so they're all there. I'm gonna put them back in their little bag. I'm gonna succeed to close it back, and as usual I'm gonna measure it. gonna show you a close-up, and that will be it. Okay. So this is 22 by 30. So, okay, that is 22 on the dot by 30. Okay, I'm gonna have to move it sideways. That is pretty big. Alright. So let's see. I know you can see it on the camera. I'm gonna let you know. Yeah, that is. It's missing 1 or 2. I don't know what it is. A smaller unit than inch. Okay, let me see in centimeter. I know I did not grow up in the US. I grew up with centimeter and millimeter, so I'm more comfortable with this. So let's see if it is 76 centimeter. No, it's like 75.8 millimeter. 75 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So it's missing 2 millimeter, which is really nothing. So that's good. Alright. So I'm gonna try to show you, like, if you can see. So this is called Milky Way Galaxy. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. Alright, so let's check about the stickiness. Yeah, I'm not worried about that though. I know usually is it known for having really good quality canvas. So I'm gonna take like here the plastic. What's annoying with this one is that, like, as you can see on the edge, there is like this little line with dots, like mini holes, and the plastic cover is stuck in it. Whoa. I don't think it was on the last one I did, so I'm gonna show you a little bit. That's nice. See, and right, for this one, I don't know, maybe it's only mine, or if it's a whole batch that's been done like this, but just be careful if you have the plastic cover. Like, it's like it's been I don't know, glue with this little on the edge, and if you don't like I did, it's gonna break if you're not paying attention. Like, I broke mine here, so I'm just gonna leave it like this now. Just gonna show you a quick close-up like this. Alright. Let me see. You can see really the picture here. Oh. Alright, so that's gonna be it. Because as I said, I'm not talkative and I think that's been long enough. Just want to show you the nice diamond painting that I got not a long time ago, and maybe it's gonna help you in your purchase if you decide to buy it or not. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and I'll see you in another unboxing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.